Now the visual plan is in place, EyeWrite 3 offers teachers and learners a number of options. Users can now develop the plan as a piece of writing. They can export the map as an image or poster, or they can add a range of multimedia links to enhance a lesson or presentation. If users want to use the map to develop writing, the process is very easy. Simply right-click on the red node next to the chosen keyword and the Open Notes box option appears. This allows users to type in their own words, for example to describe, to analyze, or to explain the word or event that has been chosen from the map. Alternatively, a teacher might choose to copy text from an existing document, for example a set of objectives, to paste into this box. Click on Save, and the text is now linked to that word and a Notes icon appears on the map, adjacent to the chosen word. The writing can then be developed by repeating this process for some or all of the words. Because learners are only adding text in short bursts, it is somehow less daunting for reluctant writers than a normal writing activity. The visual map of the proposed writing also supports teachers who want to encourage work in groups. It is easy for the teacher to organize a number of groups and then allocate one main branch of the map to each group. Members of the group then agree who will take responsibility for the research and writing for each of the smaller branches or twigs. Once users have completed the input of text, they can save the map. Click on Export in the menu bar and select Export to Text. This will convert the finished map into word processing format. Reluctant writers are often amazed and delighted to see their map now in essay or report format. One glance at the resulting text and it is clear that the visual format of the original map is now transferred to the writing. The paragraph structure mirrors that of the map. A well-planned map will result in writing with the same clearly defined sections and subheadings. It is not, of course, a finished piece of work. Learners will want to improve it by adding, for example, connecting phrases and other linguistic devices. But the process has produced a well-structured draft, and that first draft will mean so much to the learner who finds writing difficult. The support of writing is not the only use for EyeWrite 3. Once the basic map has been produced, users can also add hyperlinks to support a multimedia lesson or presentation. Adding links to files or the internet is easy. Users simply click on the red node next to the word where they want the link and then select File Link in the menu bar. Users then have an option to select a file or an internet link. If users select Internet, then all they have to do is type or copy in the web address and click OK, and the address will be saved next to the word with the globe Internet icon. Double-click this icon, and if the user is online, the website will open automatically. If users select File Link and click on the folder icon, it will open their browser. From there, they can find and select text files, photographs, images, sound files, flash files, or video clips. Click OK, and the file is now linked to that word with an appropriate icon on the map next to the chosen word. Double-click the icon and it opens. For teachers, EyeWrite 3 offers a lesson planning tool that gives their classes visual curriculum objectives and then provides access to stimulating multimedia files that can be used at any time without the need to shut down existing programs. Furthermore, the software has an Export with Links function, which allows teachers to save a zipped file of the map with all the links intact. This means that any map developed by one teacher can be used by any other without the need to reformat the hyperlinks. In this way, EyeWrite 3 saves teachers time and encourages collaboration. Learners can also use the software to develop talks or presentations which contain links to video files, websites, and other media needed to enhance their work. The audience benefits not only from the visual structure, which aids understanding, but from the stimulus that sounds, music, videos, or images can bring to a presentation. The single-user or home version of EyeWrite 3 allows learners to work with the software both at home or at school or college. EyeWrite 3 is a very powerful program which can be used by teachers or learners across a network. This site license is a fraction of the price of other visual mapping software, and for Promethean Active Expression handset users, EyeWrite is an ideal resource to complement the power of this world-leading response system.